Sixth graders, what's up? Mr. Gavin here again. Okay, I'm going to try to make this one short for you. I think we're getting better at navigating through Schoology, so it shouldn't take us as long. I know some of these videos can get lengthy, so I'm going to try to go ahead and get started right away. Okay, first thing I want to say is make sure that you are not just going over here and clicking on what is upcoming. Okay, yes, that will take you to the assignment, but you will miss informational videos like this to help you, okay, which are very important to watch. You will miss all kinds of instructions, directions, step-by-step on how to do things, okay? Yes, if you understand it, that is an okay place to go over here, but make sure you are going to these folders because that will walk you through each day and give you step-by-step instructions on how to complete each assignment, okay? We need to stay on top of these assignments because notice how they are piling up. Okay, we are already on week 4. Welcome to week 4, by the way. If you get behind, it's going to be difficult to sift through all these weeks and catch up on all your work. So as long as you're staying up to pace and going through day by day, you should be doing okay. Okay, now we are on week 4, September 14th through September 17th. Go ahead and click on that folder. I will have this published for you on the day of the 14th. Okay, notice there's not 4 different folders, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because I'm giving you 2 days to do this first assignment, and then I'm giving you 2 days to do this next assignment. Okay, right now we're going to focus on the Monday, Tuesday assignment, which will be a Springboard activity. Okay, we should be familiar with Springboard by now and kind of understanding what it's asking of us and what I'm asking for you guys to complete. Don't get overwhelmed when you click on here and see 3 things. This right here is what you're watching right now. Okay, so you're watching that. Make sure you watch the entire thing because I'm going to go over how to do the assignment properly. This second one is just an audio of the short story you will be reading for this assignment. Okay, so if you would like to listen to the audio, open that up, and then you're going to open up the story as well, and you can complete the packet while listening to the audio. That is an option. I am perfectly fine with you doing that. Okay, never a bad option just to read along with the audio. Okay, I'm perfectly okay with that, hence why I gave you that option. Here is your actual assignment. You cannot complete the assignment without first listening or reading the story. Okay, so when you're this far, go ahead and open it up. Reminder, we're getting better with this, but make sure your opening assignment with Cami. Do not open it with these 2 different options over here. Open assignment with Cami, please. Give it a second to load. This might be the time where you take a drink of water, you go get a snack. Okay, you let your dog outside. And voila, we're back to work. Just like before, get rid of this. Okay. Here are your instructions. Very important to read what is highlighted. It is very important to read everything, but definitely, especially ×2, what is highlighted. Okay? A personal narrative may follow this particular structure. An incident, which is a piece of action that is focus of the narrative. Okay? An incident, what causes the entire story? Something happens, okay, that makes the entire story move and go forward. There is always an incident in a narrative, all right? And then a response. What is the response to that particular incident? The immediate emotions and actions associated with the incident. Okay, what response is triggered from the incident? And then reflection. Okay, how is that problem maybe resolved? What did the particular person in the story learn? What was the lesson they learned? And our definition, a description that explores the significance of the incident. So these 3 things work together throughout a personal narrative. Okay, once again, make sure you read everything, but I'm trying to keep this video short for you. Okay, notice the highlighted text as you read. Okay, and we haven't been doing a particularly great job at this, but it's something that's a little more difficult, so that's okay, but we need to get better at it. Use close reading and mark the text for the setting, major incident of the story, the narrator's response to the incident, and the reflection. So as you go, you just need to highlight these 3 things up here that we talked about throughout the story in order to get full credit. Okay, then we always circle unknown words and phrases, and we try to determine the meaning of them so we can better understand the story. If you don't know a word, pull up the dictionary, Google it, something along those lines so you know what it is talking about. Okay, moving forward, here is the story. Once again, you might listen to the audio, or you might just choose to read it silently to yourself. Never a bad option to read it with a parent, a guardian, someone, brother, sister. Never a bad option to read it with someone. We will be reading the personal narrative, My Superpowers. Okay, personal narrative means someone wrote it about a story about themselves. Okay, interesting title. It's going to involve someone that discovered some sort of superpower about themselves. Okay, hence the word personal. Okay, read through it. Really not that long of a story. Okay, the hardest part about a story of reading it is starting it. Okay, that's what I like to say a lot. So start the story, get into it. It's a good one. And then you answer some questions below. Okay, make sure you create that text box right here so then you can answer the question. Make sure you're answering it in a complete sentence. Do the same thing once you answer it below here. All right, and then it's really number 3 and number 4. So there's really only 4 questions for this assignment. Should not take you very long. I am always open for questions, message, email, call if you have any questions on these 4. Okay, answer number 3 right here talks about the author's reflection, the importance of the incident in the beginning. Once again, once you read the story, there will be an incident, okay, and at the end there will be a reflection of how the author handles that incident. Okay, and the last one. Notice this part is crossed out because it is a class discussion, but don't forget to do this question. It says use the following graphic organizer. This is a graphic organizer to take notes on the key parts of my superpowers. Use your annotations to help locate textual evidence that supports your ideas. So all you're going to do, right in this text box, you're going to name the incident that happens. Then you're going to list the response. What was the cause? What was the incident? How did they respond to it? And then how did the author reflect? What was the lessons the narrator learned from the experience? Okay, that is all you have to do for this particular lesson. Once again, you will get Monday and Tuesday. Notice this is crossed off. You do not have to do anything down here. Quick reminder, don't forget to go to turn in, auto save your work. Okay, and then hit this big blue button to submit it to me so I can grade it accordingly. All right. Make sure you're keeping up on it. It's a fun story. I enjoy reading it. I wish I was here with you so we can read it together. But that's not the case, okay? Keep up the good work. I know some of us are turning some things in that are really good, but stay on top of it. Like I said earlier, if you're not on top of it, everything's going to continue to pile up, and then you're going to have a bunch of work at the end that we do not want. Okay, so after you're done with that, turn it in, and then you're going to move on to Wednesday's and Thursday's assignment when those are published and available to you. Okay, rock on, 6th graders. I can't wait to the day we get to be in class together. Keep working hard on this, keep doing your best, and we're going to make it through it together. See you guys next time.